We first bought the Edan CTG in 2013. We bought the F9 and we have been very impressed with the F9 CTG. For the CTG, I think Edan CTG stands out above the rest.
We found out a lot of function which is included in the Edan product is really practical to our setting as well, especially the fetal monitoring machine, which including the maternal vital sign and the storage for the Edan intrapartum fetal monitoring. That part actually helps us a lot because we can able to store the CTG and then we can retrieve later on if we think that that part of the tracing is important for our interpretation in the case letter. So it's not like previously we had to continuously to do the tracing printing, then we use up a lot of CTG paper, so it's not so environmental friendly as well. Our experience with this Edan FTS is quite good, and then we are very satisfied with the performance. So far I have quite a relatively comfortable feedback from the nurses as well. The tracing so far at the moment after the adjustment actually is quite user friendly, and I think the greatest benefit is because it's a wireless, which the patient need to be stranded on the bed. She is allowed to walk about, which is fulfill our criteria here. As our work is always full, as you can see, it's always come to the extension bed. So this monitoring is really helpful for us to monitor the patient without needing the patient to be rest on the bed at all time. And the feedback from the patient also sounds to be quite satisfied because they are allowed to move about and they don't need to be kept in one place for more than 30 minutes just for the things to get completed. And sometimes they're actually allowed to go to see the view or to have some light view as such. So overall we are quite satisfied with that.
We bought this Edan machine a few months ago. Quite impressive because it makes the value for price very good. The machine is very good. It's compatible or slightly better than some of the other mid-range machine. And of course, with a dual screen, it's easy to use. The image quality is sharp. We are using it mainly for obstetric scans, but also in some cases for gynae scans, and the image is good.
Talking about the Edan product in general, so far at this point of time, we have very minimal negative feedback about this. Overall, we are very satisfied with that. And most importantly is it's easier for us to liaise with the company to if any issue arise, and the supporting system also quite useful and friendly as well.
Then monitors and all that are compatible with other brands. No issue. I think slightly tilted would be nicer. Monitor is big, very nice, very clear. I think the CTG is the one that really stands out. To the stage that if you talk to my nurses will tell you they like to use the Edan CTG because it's easy to manipulate, easy to enter data, and so on and so forth.
The screen is large and the display is easily visible. The tracings the signal is strong. We are very happy with this product. I find the range of product that Edan has does fulfill many of our clinical needs. We do have experience with monitoring system, fetal monitoring system, and ultrasound range. It meets some of our clinical needs, and we do look forward to more products from Edan to meet our other areas of clinical needs.